Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. Today, I would like to talk about if only I could press a rewind button. I strongly believe that sometimes we may wish to make the time stop or travel back in time. This is due to the fact that we may have some things we would like to change in our life. Now, let us imagine, what if we could have a rewind button? For me, if only I could have a rewind button, I would like to I was not studying before the examination. What I prefer was to watch cartoon. I couldn't stop myself from laughing. What I watched was SpongeBob SquarePants. After a while, I was sleepy and therefore I decided to take a nap. This showed that I did nothing before the exams. I got poor results due to insufficient preparations for the exams. Now let us hit the rewind button and travel back to the week before exam. I review all the subjects by jotting down all the important points. At the same time, I will pay more attention when the lecturers are teaching in class. When I'm doing revision, I found out that there are a lot of tricky questions. In this context, I put more efforts in order to solve the questions. Take for example, I will highlight the questions and refer to notes to find out the solutions. Try to solve as many questions as I can. By doing so, I can pass my final exam with flying colors. After having my dinner, I ate the banana to stimulate my intestine peristalsis. I threw the banana peel haphazardly on the floor. Be reminded, this is an incorrect motion demonstration. Please do not imitate. The consequence was that I fell down when I walked through the same place. Now, let us hit the rewind button again. This time, I'll change my mind. I managed to throw the banana peel into the dustbin. This is to avoid others, including me, from falling down. Back to the reality. It is impossible for us to have a rewind button. We have to accept the fact that we can't change what had happened. Let the past be the past.